My friend, before you sleep tonight, I want you to listen to this with your heart, because what I'm about to share with you is not just a sleep trick. It's a night ritual, a gentle, science-backed, soul-soothing practice that thousands of seniors follow. And they say the same thing. I wish I had known this sooner. Why? Because it brings something magical, a peaceful mind, a relaxed body, and a night of deep, healing sleep. And the best part, it only takes 20 minutes, but the effects last through the night, and sometimes for the rest of your life. So tonight, just give me your attention for a little while. I promise you will finish this video feeling calmer, lighter, more relaxed, and more hopeful than when you began. Let's begin our journey. Chapter 1. The truth about nights after 50, 60, 70, and beyond. After a certain age, nights begin to change. You might notice you fall asleep later than before. You wake up more often. Your mind keeps replaying old memories, worries, or conversations. Your body feels stiff, tired, or achy. You wake up feeling like you never really rested, and sometimes it feels lonely at night. The world is quiet, and your thoughts become loud. But here's the truth no one tells you. Sleep doesn't get worse with age. Our habits before sleep change, and that's what affects sleep. The body still remembers how to rest. The mind still wants peace. Your heart still knows how to calm down. It just needs the right guidance, and that's what you're about to receive. Chapter 2. Why this 20-minute ritual works like magic. Science has a beautiful explanation for this ritual. Deep sleep is controlled by your parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and heal system. But modern life activates the opposite, the stress and worry system. This ritual switches your body from stress mode, gives calm, healing mode. When the shift happens, your body relaxes, your muscles, slows your heart. Rata releases natural sleep hormone, reduces inflammation offense. Your breathing quiets the mind, guides you gently into deep sleep. You are not forcing yourself to sleep. You are allowing your body to do what it was made for. Chapter 3. The start of the ritual, the night slowdown. Take a deep breath right now. Slow, gentle, peaceful. Feel that. That is the beginning. For the first minute of this ritual, I want you to let the whole world just pause for 60 seconds. Nothing matters. Not your worries, not your schedule, not the past, not tomorrow. Just you, here, now. Because tonight, you are giving yourself a gift, the gift of peace. Chapter 4. Step 1. The warm, calm drink. 3 minutes. This is optional, but it works beautifully. You can prepare one of these. Warm chamomile tea, warm turmeric milk, warm water with honeyworm lemon, water cinnamon water, or simply warm plain water. Warm drinks do something magical. They send a message to your brain that says, it's time to relax now. As you sip the warm drink slowly, let the warmth move through your throat, down to your chest, into your stomach, and throughout your whole body. Feel the stress melting down. Feel your shoulders drop. Feel your mind soften. Feel your breath slow. It's gentle, safe, natural, comforting. A warm drink is like a hug from the inside. Chapter 5. Step 2. The 3 deep breaths. 2 minutes. Now place your hand on your chest or your stomach, wherever you feel your breath more clearly. We are going to do 3 deep healing breaths. Breath 1. For the body, inhale slowly through the nose. Hold for just a moment and release. Feel your muscles loosen. Breath 2. For the mind, inhale. Hold. Exhale. Let your thoughts settle like snow falling in silence. Breath 3. For the heart, inhale. Gently, peacefully. Hold. Release. Let go of the worries that don't belong in your sleep. 3 breaths. That's all it takes to reset your body. Chapter 6. Step 3. The gentle neck and shoulder release for minutes. One of the biggest reasons seniors don't sleep deeply is because of tension stored all day in the neck, shoulders, upper back. So now, we do the simplest, easiest stretch anyone can do, sitting or standing. Stretch 1. The shoulder drop. Lift your shoulders up. Hold for 1 second and let them fall naturally. Repeat 3 times. Stretch 2. The side neck release. Tilt your head slightly to the right. Hold. Return to center. Tilt left. Hold. Return. Stretch 3. The back release. Roll your shoulders slowly backwards. Slow circles. Gentle circles. Peaceful circles. This removes the tension that keeps your mind awake at night. And as your muscles soften, your whole body begins preparing for deep rest. Chapter 7. Step 4. The memory healing moment. 3 minutes now. This next part is emotional and powerful. For 1 minute, you think of something that happened today. Not the worst part. The best part. Maybe you smiled. Maybe someone called you. Maybe you watched the sky. Maybe you had a good meal. Maybe you heard a child laughing. Maybe you had a quiet moment to yourself, just one small blessing. This moment tells your brain, there is goodness in my life. I am safe. I can rest. This activates peace. This silences fear. This softens the heart. And seniors who practice this say their sleep becomes deeper than it has been in years. Chapter 8, Step 5, The Night Gratitude Whisper to Minutes. Now whisper softly or say it in your mind. Thank you. Thank you for today. Thank you for the breath in my lungs. Thank you for the strength to make it through another day. Thank you for the lessons, for the memories, for the moments. Gratitude activates serotonin, and serotonin becomes melatonin, your sleep hormone. So when you whisper thank you, your brain literally begins preparing for sleep. Chapter 9, Step 6, The Slow Walking Ritual to Minutes. Stand up only if it's safe and comfortable, and take 20 slow steps around your room. This is powerful because it relaxes stiff legs, it activates circulation, it calms the minute, reduces nighttime cramps, it prepares your body for lying down. We are not walking for exercise. We are walking for peace. Every step is slow, soft, silent. Let your mind follow your feet, one step at a time, one breath at a time. And soon, everything inside you becomes quiet. Chapter 10, Step 7, The Release the Day Whisper. 1 minute now. Close your eyes and whisper gently, today is over. I did enough. I am enough. And now, I rest. These words release the weight you carry, the regrets you replay, the thoughts that disturb your peace. They allow you to enter sleep with forgiveness for yourself and for the world. Chapter 11, Step 8, Preparing the Bed to Minutes. Now return to your bed, slowly, peacefully. Make your bed feel like a sanctuary. Fluff the pillow, watches the blanket, smooth the sheet clear. Any cluttered in the light side, brain connects environments with emotions. A messy bed creates a restless mind. A calm bed creates a peaceful mind. Tonight, your bed becomes your healing place, your resting place, your safe place. Here is your part to do this. 20 minutes before sleep works like magic. Chapter 12, Step 9, The 9-second Body Melt. Lie down gently. Feel the mattress support you. Let your body become heavy. And now we begin one of the most powerful sleep techniques I've ever taught, the body melt. This is how you train your muscles and your mind to let go. Start with your toes. Just notice them. Don't move them. Simply feel them. Now imagine them becoming warm, soft, heavy, relaxed. It feels like the stress is melting down and flowing out of your body. Now move to your legs, your knees, your thighs. Feel them loosen. Feel the tension drain away. Feel yourself sinking deeper into comfort. Move to your stomach, your chest, your shoulders. Let them drop gently, like someone lifted a weight off your back. Now your arms, your hands, your fingers, soft, still, calm. Finally, your face. Unclench your jaw. Soften your eyes. Relax your forehead. Your whole body is now in peace mode. Your brain receives the message. It is safe to sleep now. Chapter 13, Step 10, The Heart-Slowing Breath. Breath is used by sleep therapists, monks, and meditation experts worldwide. It's called the 4-2-6 sleep breath. Breathe in for 4 seconds. Breathe out for 6 seconds. Why 6? Because longer exhalation slows your heartbeat, calms your nervous system, and triggers melatonin. Try it now. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeat 5 times. Each time you breathe out, your body sinks deeper. Your heart relaxes. Your thoughts soften. Your mind becomes quiet. This is where sleep begins, in the silence between breaths. Chapter 14, Step 11, The Gentle Mind and Clutter Ritual. Now, let's clear your mind the way the ocean clears the shore. Close your eyes and imagine all your thoughts, the loud ones, the quiet ones, even the ones hiding, as little leaves floating on a river. You don't chase them. You don't fight them. You don't hold them. You simply watch them drift by, one by one. They float away. This is not forcing the mind. This is freeing the mind. Chapter 15, The Let Tomorrow Wait Technique. If your brain likes to plan at night, or worry, or overthink, this part is for you. Speak softly, or say it in your heart. Tomorrow will come in its own time. But tonight, I rest. This is not just a sentence. It is a command, a boundary, a protection. Your mind understands it. Your heart respects it. Your body responds to it. Suddenly, what felt heavy becomes light. What felt urgent becomes distant. What felt noisy becomes quiet. Chapter 16. Step 12. The memory blanket. Now imagine a memory that makes you feel warm, safe, loved, peaceful. Maybe it's sitting with your mother, drinking tea with a friend, your child's laughter, your grandchild's tiny hand, a young version of yourself smiling. A moment when life felt simple. Let that memory wrap around you like a blanket of comfort. This isn't imagination. This is therapy for the soul. Because warm memories trigger oxytocin, the hormone of emotional safety, and sleep becomes easier when the heart feels safe. Chapter 17. Step 13. The Senior Healing Affirmations. These words are crafted especially for seniors. Say them slowly, or simply listen. I am safe. I am loved. I am guided. My body is healing. My mind is resting. I release the day. I welcome peace. Your subconscious listens. Your nervous system responds. Your sleep deepens. Chapter 18. Step 14. The Floating Technique. 2 minutes. Imagine your body gently floating, like you are lying on calm water. Light, weightless, supported. You don't need to move. You don't need to try. You simply float. This technique removes physical tension and mental pressure. The body cannot stay stressed while floating. It is impossible. Your brain enters stage 1. Sleep more easily. Your muscles loosen. Your breath slows. Your thoughts fade. Chapter 19. Step 15. Emotional healing for seniors. Sometimes the reason seniors struggle to sleep isn't the body. It's the heart. Memories from long ago. Regrets, loss, loneliness, unfinished chapters, fears about the future. Nighttime makes them louder. So let me speak to you gently, my friend. You have lived through so much. You have survived storms others never saw. You have carried more than you speak of. You have kept going on days when your younger self would have given up. You are strong. You are brave. And you deserve rest. You deserve a peaceful night, a calm heart, a quiet mind. This ritual is not just about sleep. It is about emotional healing. Let tonight be lighter than yesterday. Let tomorrow worry about itself. Chapter 20. The Spiritual Quiet. Optional. If you're a spiritual person, place your hand on your heart and say, I am held. I am watched over. I am cared for. If you are not spiritual, breathe in peace and breathe out tension. Both paths lead to the same place, inner calm. Chapter 21. Step 16. The Final Breath of Peace. Take one last deep breath, your slowest one of the night. Inhale, hold, exhale. This breath marks the end of the day and the beginning of night's healing. Chapter 22. What happens in your body now as you lie here? Your heartbeat slows, blood pressure drops, muscles relax, stress hormones fade, sleep hormones rise, brain waves slow down, nervous system switches to calm mode. Your body begins healing. Your mind begins resting. Your spirit begins settling. This is the doorway to deep sleep, and you are standing at it. Chapter 23. The Blessing for the Night. Before you drift off, receive these gentle words. May your night be peaceful. May your sleep be deep. May your dreams be healing. May your body rest. May your mind quiet. May your heart feel light. You deserve this peace. You've earned it. Chapter 24. The Quiet Goodbye. And now, slowly, softly, gently, let your thoughts fade. Let your breath guide you. Let your body surrender. Let the night embrace you. Sleep is coming. Deep, healing, beautiful sleep. You've done the ritual. You've done enough. Now, rest, heal, sleep. Good night, my friend. May peace cover you like a soft blanket. May tomorrow greet you with light.